Hi, today we're going to talk about how to use Controlled Traffic Optimal Lines. Controlled Traffic Optimal Lines mode allows multiple AB lines or curves to be recorded in a single file and viewed at the same time. The Controlled Traffic feature requires a license. Under System, Features, Licenses, you can confirm license status. Once licensed, the feature then needs to be enabled. Under System, Features, Guidance, change Controlled Traffic to Enabled. The normal guideline modes cannot be accessed while Controlled Traffic feature is enabled. It is necessary to first disable the Controlled Traffic feature if you're wanting to use these. Touch the Running Man to return to the Run screen. The Controlled Traffic icon is now displayed. Open the menu, touch the Select icon. You can select files from USB if desired by touching on the USB icon. Touch the Client icon. Select the desired client. Select the desired farm. Select the desired field. Then select the optimal line file you wish to use. Touch the green tick and optimal lines will be displayed. Now how to create a new optimal line set. Open the Controlled Traffic menu. Touch New Controlled Traffic Line Set. Touch Name and use the on-screen keyboard to name it something meaningful. Tick to confirm. To start, I'm going to add a new AB line. I reopen the menu. I change the guideline type to AB line. I then proceed to the desired location, open the menu and place the A point. If necessary, I can delete my A point using this button. I drive to the desired location to place my B point. I have now created a new AB line within this Controlled Traffic line set. Now I will create a new curve line in the same manner. I change the guideline mode to curve line. I drive to the desired location and set the A point. You can see that the previously created AB line is still visible, it's just changed colour. I continue to drive my new curve line until I'm ready to set the B point. When using the Controlled Traffic Optimal Line function, you can also insert an existing guideline from another guideline file. I open the Controlled Traffic menu, then insert Existing Guideline. This opens a three-step wizard. In this first example, I'm going to insert an AB line. I touch Guideline Type, select AB lines and tick. Then I touch the next arrow. I locate and select the desired AB line, touch the next arrow, and the existing AB line has been inserted. Tick to close. Now I'm going to repeat this process and insert an existing identical curve guideline. I open the menu and select Insert Existing Guideline. I change the guideline type to Identical Curves. I touch the next arrow, then locate the existing curve guideline file. I touch the next arrow and the existing curve guideline has been inserted. I now have an AB and a curve guideline in the same optimal line file. An optimal line must be selected and then locked before it can be used for guidance or auto steering. There are two ways to do this. For Touchline Selection, open the menu and confirm Auto Line Selection is turned off. Now press and hold the guideline you wish to select. The guideline number will be displayed. The currently selected line turns green. Now open the menu and touch on the padlock to confirm. Once locked, the AB line is displayed as red AB points, and nearest swath guidelines are displayed. I can then change my selected line by simply touching and holding another line. Once selected, I open the menu and I lock the line. Once locked, the curved line is displayed black and the nearest swath guidelines are displayed red. Now the Auto Line Selection method. Open the menu and enable Auto Line Selection. This changes the icon to now display a tick. Now the area around the vehicle's current location is searched and the closest line is automatically selected. The Lock to Selected Line button will automatically display. Then as the vehicle moves closer to a different line, that line is automatically selected instead. You can see this is again indicated with a green line when selected, followed by a black curve line or red AB points when the line is locked. And that is how to use controlled traffic optimal lines. I hope you found this video helpful and have a nice day.